Now, let's move to the images section. This is where you will upload all of your product photographs. I cannot stress enough how essential professional photography is for your listing. Owning a good camera or knowing someone who does not necessarily mean you will get professional results. The quality of your images alone can determine whether your product succeeds or fails on Amazon. Fortunately, professional photography services are not excessively expensive. This investment will pay off significantly when done properly. You can find skilled photographers either locally or through platforms like Fiverr.com. However, since high-quality images are now standard across Amazon, your photos must go a step further by telling a visual story. Shoppers make their buying decisions primarily through images. Most people focus on the photos, and if they do not immediately stand out, customers simply move on to another listing. Your images should highlight your product's main benefits, features, and competitive advantages at a glance. Help customers understand instantly why your product is worth buying. Pay special attention to your main image, as this is the one shown in search results. It needs to be eye-catching, attractive, and professional, or your product risks being overlooked among the many similar listings. Here is a helpful tip. Search for your product on Amazon and browse through the first page of results. Observe which listings capture your attention immediately and analyze what makes them stand out. It could be their lighting, layout, composition, or contrast. Use those insights as inspiration when planning your own images. If you do not yet have professional photos, you can temporarily upload a placeholder image. Just make sure the placeholder accurately represents the actual product you are selling. It must not be random or unrelated. Amazon allows you to save a listing draft without images, but at least one valid image is required before the product can go live. Be cautious about using any external photos. Do not copy images from Google or from competitors' listings. Those images might be copyrighted, and using them can result in severe consequences, including listing suspension, account deactivation, or even legal action for intellectual property infringement. Always upload original photographs that you own and ensure they comply with Amazon's technical image standards. For instance, each image must be at least 1000 pixels on the longest side to enable zoom capability, and ideally 2000 pixels or higher for better clarity. Ensure your file size remains under 10 megabytes and resolution high, within the range of approximately 1000 to 10,000 pixels. Acceptable image file formats include JPEG, TIFF, PNG, and non-animated GIF. Every image should be clear, high resolution, and free from blurriness or pixelation. Your main image must accurately represent your product with a professional, realistic appearance. It should have a completely white background, showing the product covering at least 85% of the frame. The main image must not include any added text, logos, watermarks, color backgrounds, or decorative borders. If your image fails to meet these criteria, Amazon may suppress your listing until the issue is fixed. Therefore, always verify that your images comply fully before proceeding further. After uploading your images, click on Product Details.